Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House.BOX Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's me, Winston, yes honey, it's now live. Hey you guys, welcome back guys to another amazing bake with me guys. Yes, today we are going to be making brownies. Yes guys. So before we get into this, we're going to wash our hands for disclaimer. Alright. So, we're making Betty Crocker brownies, guys. This is the brownies fudge. So, this is the brownies mix. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put our mixture in here. Hold on. 1 second. Alright, so we're making brownies today, guys. Alright, so this is our mixture. Okay, so we're going to need 1.5 cups of cooking oil. So you're going to get your measuring cup. And we're going to pour 1.5 cup of, let's see here, of cooking oil. Okay. All right. So, okay. So 1.5 cups of cooking oil. Can you guys see that? 1.5 cups of cooking oil. So we're going to put that in there. Okay. And then we're going to need 2 eggs, guys. So you guys know from my last video, I like to crack my eggs in a separate container just because I don't want the shells in the batter. Okay? So 2 eggs. Alright? And then we're going to put them in here. Okay? Now, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of the water. So this is 2 tablespoons. So what we're going to do is just throw this 3 times. So that's 1 and 2 and 3, guys. So that's 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, so now we're going to go to mix. But before we do that, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Okay? Yes, 350 degrees. So now, let us mix. Alright guys. So as you can see, it's very much chocolatey. Okay guys? So now what we're gonna do is we're going to spray. So you can use a regular baking pan, baking sheet. I'm using a nice aluminum pan, square. So we're gonna spray it. Alright, make sure you shake up your non-stick pan. Alright? And you wanna make sure that you get the entire pan. Alright? So we're gonna spray. Hold on. Let's get our baking utensils. Okay, just in case we need it. Alright, so we're gonna pour our brownie batter in here. So you want to make sure you got a nice little baking spatula so that it can help you with your batter. All right. So okay, so this is helping to get all of the batter out of the bowl. Okay. So I make sure that you get all the batter. And again, guys, the difference with brownies and making a cake. Normally, if you're doing the cake mix, you have to add 3 eggs. This, you don't have to add 3 eggs. And as you notice, some cakes you have to add like maybe a cup of water or a half a cup of water. This only did, 2-3 tablespoons. So this is more of a square, if you want to say. Okay, guys? So, we're done. Now we're going to pop this in the oven, guys. Okay? Alright, guys. So, we popped our brownies in the oven. The next time we come back, we'll be checking them to make sure that they are done, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so we're back. We're going to test our brownies to make sure that the batter is well cooked. So what we're going to do is just stick a fork in to make sure that there's no batter. And there we have it, guys. Our brownies are cooked. Again, it only takes about 20 to 25 minutes for this size pan. Depending on the pan that you have, is the amount of minutes. So you can look on the box, guys, and it will tell you. But this size pan is basically 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm not gonna plate, guys, because this is for an event. What I am going to do is cut it. All right, guys. So I'm gonna cut it. This is for an event that I made this for. If you guys watch the House of X Entertainment blog, you will see this in the blog. So I'm just going to cut this, and there you have it, guys. We got brownies. Who's ready to eat brownies? Thank you guys so much for commenting, liking, and subscribing. Make sure you tap that notification bell so you'll always be notified each time I upload or each time I go live, guys. Remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. I love you guys.
What's up, Twitter family? What's up, YouTube family? What's up?